Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to Canva. So let's get straight into it. Start off by clicking on Create a Design here, then tap on Videos here, and just select your preferred video ratio. Then from here, click on Uploads to import the video you want to add subtitles to. And once your video is uploaded, just drag it onto the timeline, just like this. And then next, play your video and listen to the first sentence. And pause it at the end of the sentence, just like this. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And now to add subtitles, simply go to the text tool at the left side of your screen, and then just click on Add a Heading and type out the text for your subtitle. Now you can style your subtitle to make it clear and easy to read. You can highlight the text by clicking on it and pressing Ctrl A to select everything. Then you can increase or decrease the font size like so, and change the text color if you want. You can also choose to bold the text or not according to your preference. And then after that, just place your subtitles whenever you want it to be, just like this. So if your video has a bright background or a darker background, you can make the subtitles more visible by adding a background to the text. And to do that, simply go to Effects here and just scroll down until you see the background here. And select a background color. So as for me, I'll use white for the background since I use a darker background. And change the font color to black. And then just adjust the roundness and spacing under the effects menu to refine the look of your subtitle. So once your first subtitle is styled, you can now play the video again and pause at the end of the sentence. So just right click on the timeline and select split page here. And then now you can move to the next section of your video and add the next sentence. So just follow the same steps, type out the text like so, and just play the video again to check the flow and timing of your subtitles. So make sure to pause after each sentence, split the clip, and add a new subtitle for each section. You can also simply press S on your keyboard to quickly split the clip instead of right-clicking each time. Although Canva doesn't have an auto subtitle feature, this method is great for short form videos. So once you finish adding subtitles, you can review your video. Just play it over from the start, just like this. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off keyboard sounds on your iPhone. So let's get straight into it. Then after that, after you review your video, you can now export it. So this will ensure that the subtitles match the audio perfectly. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add subtitles to Canva. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.